Hello and welcome to the official WUDC 2021 Judge Training Program. The program deals with a series of topics which are essential for proper adjudication, but at the same time suffer from a lack of consistency. In it, we are going to provide a collection of from theory to practice videos that will have adjudication exercises attached on topics that range from fundamental skills as how to track a debate and do comparisons to more advanced skills as panel discussion management. Each topic or module will hopefully be useful for everyone, from beginners who have judged a few tournaments through to those who have judged early out rounds at WUDC before. Modules will consist of a combination of theory videos, example videos, notes, and exercises. These resources are designed to be used in conjunction with each other, or with another debate recording elsewhere. We may give formal credit for those that watch all the videos and complete all the exercises. That is to say, newer WUDC judges will get to claim a completion of the course as part of their CV for Worlds. A certification can serve as an equalizer for those that have fewer chances to participate in tournaments and judge with highly trained adjudicators. So, how can you participate? There are 4 ways to do so. Firstly, complete each module as it is released. Each module consists of some theory videos, some practical or example videos, and a set of exercises. Completing the exercises contributes towards the certification we mentioned before. Secondly, send in suggestions for topics to cover in future modules. We cannot guarantee every topic will be chosen, but we will try to adjust our content to cover those areas as best we can. Thirdly, ask questions, either by commenting on the videos or by sending them in via our form. We'll respond to comments on YouTube so that everyone from the community will be able to see them, and also regularly update a FAQ page for each module. Fourthly, we will occasionally require volunteers from the community to participate in judging panels, which will be recorded and uploaded for the community. You will have to be willing to be recorded, but in exchange you get a real-life chance to participate in a panel with a very experienced chair judge. We're excited to start the program. We hope to see you in Module 1.